Hi, Jake. So I think I figured out how to make that half hip style roof. It's actually called a Jerkinhead, I found out. So I'm going to go into my level 2 floor plan here, and I want to make just a plain roof by footprint. And then I'm going to give myself an overhang of 2 feet. And I want to make sure that I have my base level set at level 3. And then I'm just going to 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll say, okay, please make my roof. If we look at it in 3D, we have a hip roof. But what we want to do is only have like this little part hip, and we sort of want this part to gable. So I'm going to click on that roof and edit its footprint. And then I'm going to go back into level 2. And what we want to do is split this line into 3 segments. So that way this part has no slope. This part has no slope. Over here has no slope. So it's only just going to be sloping in the middle. To keep it nice and even, I'm going to draw some reference planes, which is either going to be this button here or keyboard shortcut RP, just so I can draw something down the middle to refer to. And I'll just drag that out. And then I'm going to copy it, which is up here, or CO. I'm going to make like a copy 6 feet in this direction. I'll go 12 feet in this direction. I'm just playing with numbers, but really I'm just trying to give myself something to pull to or split to on it. So then the next thing we would use is called the split element tool, which we have used before. That's keyboard shortcut SL or this little button here. And I just want to split. Sometimes I always struggle actually clicking on like the reference, but there we go. And then I'm going to click here to split this line also on that reference. That one I'm a little bit off, but I can hopefully fix it in a moment. So I've split it into 3 segments. That's why I've got 3 different slopes or 3 different triangles. I'll hit escape a few times because I'm going to want to drag that dot there, drag this dot here. I don't know why I struggle sometimes to touch on the piece, but we can fix it. So now we have 3 slopes on each side. We're going to get rid of this slope and then get rid of this one's slope as well. But even then, right now, if I hit the green check and I go look at it 3D, my roof hasn't changed at all. And that's because I need to offset that middle part in. So let's go back into our edit footprint. And I can click on this line, and we have this plate offset from base here. Should just say roof base, but let's see. And then I'm going to say, like, let's say I'll do 6 feet to start with. And then when I click OK, I've got that Jerkinhead style roof, that half hip. And then if I was to do like 8 feet, because yours is pretty high up there, we can then have a little bit more of that kind of curve to it. So sometimes it is just playing with that number. I really wish we could just see it update automatically. And then, of course, you can do attached top to base with this wall to that roof. And so that's how you can get kind of that style roof.